Milo and Zara were buzzing with excitement. Today was the day of their big soccer game with friends. They had waited all week for this. Even Grandma packed a special picnic to celebrate. But then the sky turned gray and the rain poured down. This always has to happen. Now what are we supposed to do? Said Milo. Zara sighs. Yeah, we planned everything. It's ruined. Milo and Zara slumped by the window, watching the rain ruin their perfect day. But Grandma had other ideas. Oh, my sweethearts, I know you're feeling disappointed. It's okay to feel that way. But rainy days have their own kind of magic. Sarah said, Magic? Like what? Grandma said, Sometimes they teach us to slow down and notice things we might have missed. Let's try having some fun with this. It's called the 5-minute cloud watch. Milo groaned. Cloud watching? It's just rain clouds, Grandma said playfully. Ah, but even rain clouds have stories to tell. Close your eyes and imagine them floating away with all your frustrations. Give it a try. Milo and Sarah closed their eyes and tried it. Slowly, their breathing matched the sound of the rain. A little while later, Milo and Sarah decided to explore outside. With raincoats and boots, they splashed through puddles and laughed as the rain tickled their faces. Milo said, Okay, this is actually kind of fun. Sarah smiling. And look how shiny the leaves are. It's like everything got a fresh coat of paint. Even Grandma joined in, pointing out the smell of fresh earth and the sound of raindrops dancing on the trees. After their adventure, the three of them warmed up with hot cocoa by the window. Milo spoke up. I was mad earlier because I don't see my friends much, but this was actually really nice. Nara nodded. Me too. I like drawing the raindrops in my journal. It's like finding beauty in things we don't expect. Grandma smiled. That's the magic of rainy days. They remind us to pause, breathe, and find joy in the unexpected. What about you? Have you ever had a day when plans changed? What did you do to make it better? The next time it rains, literally or figuratively, remember to pause, breathe, and see what surprises the day might hold. May you be happy, may you be safe, and may you feel loved. See you next time on ZEN Kids Adventures.